Good day, folks. Welcome. This is our weekly review on Nasdaq. This is our weekly time frame. So each candle here represents 1 week from Monday to Friday closing. So last week, that's been yesterday, being Friday, we could see how we trade up to this weekly CB, consequent encroachment. That's set side imbalance, buy side inefficiency between the other block, they are low, and this candle high, that is CB, set side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. You see the run up, the price action run up inside the consequent encroachment. That's the 50% of this inefficiency. And having a breaker, this is a breaker block. You have a high, a low, then a higher high, break below it, breaking below this. So this candle here will stand as a breaker. That's a breaker block. That's weekly breaker block. Something like this. That will stand as a weekly breaker block. That's a weekly breaker block. That's the bearish candle there. And how price deliver inside the weekly CB, an inefficiency, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. So coming way, we would like to see a drop, a short term sell off. Since price have delivered inside an inefficiency into the consequent encroachment, so anticipating price selling short coming week, have a break of structure right here, weekly break of structure going to stand as a breaker. We have an inefficiency here, BC, buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance, and an inversion fair value gap as price have validated above it. So it's going to act as an inversion fair value gap. And the inversion fair value gap low. The BC, buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance after a break of structure right here. So this bullish candle here as the up close candle going to stand as a breaker. So coming week we anticipating price delivery coming inside this inefficiency. It's a high probability, a potential buy once you trade inside this inefficiency here, this buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance after a break of structure. So you look for the fair value gap after a break of structure. Here is the break of structure, which is going to act as a breaker. Then we also have an inefficiency here too, an inversion fair value gap. An inversion fair value gap. We see the first delivery inside the inversion being CB was rejected. Then price coming back for the second time validated the consequent encroachment of it and traded above it. Then ran into inside a breaker, weekly breaker, and a weekly CB. That's last week closing. So coming week, we like to see a price anticipating price delivery coming to this inefficiency over here, both the inversion fair value gap and the BC. That's for weekly time frame. Go over to daily. Here on daily time frame, this is a new week opening gap between last 2 weeks Friday, that's 9th May, and 11th May. This is a new week opening gap. Price have not fill it up yet. It's a void. You could see it's a void, a gap there. The gap between Friday, 9th May, and the 11th May opening price for last week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday closing at the consequent encroachment of the weekly CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. We also have a breakaway gap here, it can be reclaimed. Then we like to see a price delivery inside this new week opening gap. That's 11th May new week opening gap coming week. So that will be our price anticipation for coming week. So thank you for watching and be safe.